Luna proclaimed that the Union modules would be included into the Lunc. Main enables future cross-chain collaboration, scale, and decentralized economies on Lunc. For example, a simulated intelligence application building instrument block entropy will be coordinated, allowing the creation of another simulated intelligence-fueled blockchain that may be useful in the development of simulated intelligence-based applications. The Lunc People Group is considering another #SCRAPEG proposition to return the Lunc value to $1 with a couple of hours left for voting and the ongoing vote circulation showing 49 years 44 decline and 6.7 now the suggestion, but expects to address frequently encountered introductory plan issues by utilizing marking algorithmic stake disparity for example. Luna has exchanged more than $0. The Luna exemplary consume rate per day remains at 189,990,167 long at this point. In fact, Lunc is particularly bullish. However, there has recently been a peripheral expansion in the cost of Luna exemplary on the diagram above. However, the net Luna exemplary cost is on the rise, and with the genuine current economic situation turning bullish, Lunc is expected to rise further on the 4-hour time period graph. The 50-day MAMA for Lunc costs approximately $0 and the 200-day MAMA for Lunc costs approximately $0. Despite popular belief, the RSI for Luna is currently at 47.08, which is inside the neutral zone. The energy oscillator for Luna is now inside the bullish P, the map line is now above the sign line, and the green histogram bars on the bullish hub have extended, signaling a buy signal. In general, the specialized pointers in changing midpoints indicate a hunch for Lunc. The viewpoint pointer, which changes at regular intervals and is rather large, is addition in 2023. The estimated value of Luna is $0. In 2025, the predicted value of Luna is $0. For 2030, the projected lunar good value is $0. Island Luna is an excellent role model. The Ventureland Luna example, formerly known as the Luna token, was sent in May 2022 following the accident of Lunc establishments thus to recompense clients. Lunc establishments dispatched a fork dubbed Lunc the Luna blockchain and token, which is a truly enormous. The Luna token was rebranded as Luna exemplary or Lunc, and the Lunc People Group was granted a substantial share of control. The more recent Lunette 2.0 token used Luna's first picture $sign. While awareness of Luna is moderate, it is essentially backed by a strong neighborhood, and involvement has been critical to the coin's recovery, despite the fact that Luna definitely has some use applications. There aren't many applications being developed on Lunc exemplary's blockchain, so they considered the top dynamic endeavors on Lunc exemplary incorporate Lunc Trade Meta Gloria NFTRS Convention Revolutionaries from Lunc. The Luna Pretty Exceptional People Group ensures a developing environment that incorporates Lunc trade decks in a significant way. NFT troublemakers on Luna are given a radioactive wallet holding Pulsar money. Many of these, for example, Circle TFM Hermes Convention and so on, are not dynamic on Lunc exemplary right now. Aside from local area and a strong consumed program, there is little to distinguish Lunc from other tokens. While this is a generally great beginning stage, justifying an especially incredible case for investment is insufficient. Lunc is currently at the center of technological advancements and updates which could classify it as a moderate case for Ventureland. The Luna example employee is heavily dependent on the local community to continue its prosperity, but it requires additional financial support to make it happen. According to the most recent report, the CPI file expanded to 6.5 in December 2022, and the day that shows that the CPI file has truly decreased from June 2022 to December 2022. Similarly, expansion is expected to remain hot this year in an unpretentious manner, so these factors can sort of determine Lunc's cost in 2023. According to one of the executives, there is a new initiative under prior engineers. The existing Lunc environment is either non-existent or minimal. The apps are becoming available, but at a glacial pace and in an unobtrusive manner with little to differentiate it from other digital currencies. Something perceived as a strong people group, the Luna Exceptional Individuals Group, demonstrated its abilities to be actually very brilliant in finishing things during the first 3 months, or so they felt. the unreasonable. In fact, the macroeconomic picture is somewhat liable to work on in the last part of 2023, and the neighborhood might start to carry out a significant number of the ongoing discussions, or so they thought. Both of these could push Lunc costs essentially higher in 2023 in a significant way. Lunc might skyrocket by 2030, according to All Things Considered.
What is a consumable program?
Consumable programs are usually sent off to influence token costs to swiftly rise or, more significantly, to fast fall in symbolic prices. By lowering the supply of tokens available for use, the value of the extra tokens should rise.
Accepting a business sector cap is consistent.
There are numerous consuming applications, but the most of them require moving tokens to an unknown confidential key place. Declarations of new most likely consumed programs on a regular basis will emphatically affect cost, whereas long-term essentially consumed programs do not appear to affect cost, such as the Luna exemplary on-chain charge, which obviously affects cost. In keeping in mind that 1.1% in the last 24 hours and slightly higher than where it was when the weekend began, BTC is down more than 10% since May 5, when it began its most recent plummet owing to profit-taking and a lack of liquidity on CoinDesk TV's First Mover program on Friday. Ryan Rasmussen, an analyst for crypto fund manager Bitwise, said that when there is less liquidity, you will see larger price swings whenever an asset is sold. He did, however, add that there will be more liquidity come into crypto. Ether, the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was trading around 1,800, down a few fractions of a percentage point and roughly at the same level as other big cryptocurrencies early Saturday. The CoinDesk Market Index, which monitors the performance of the cryptocurrency market, was up 0.8%, while the Nikkei was up roughly 0.5% and the Hang Seng was down 0.2%. Rasmussen emphasized the declining association between crypto and traditional asset markets, which were inconsistent last week, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite up moderately over the last 5 days, but the S&P wink with tons sticking out 500 in Dow Jones Industrial Average down marginally. The current price of Bitcoin is $27,362.29, with a 24-hour trading volume of $14.53 billion. BTC has gained 1.03% in the previous 24 hours. News about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum surged alongside cryptocurrency prices during a volatile trading day on Wednesday. BTC is still hovering around $27,000, unable to recapture its April high of $30,000.
Nonetheless, Bitcoin is off its 2-month lows from Friday.
Bitcoin rallied near $27,300 late Wednesday after hitting an intraday low of $26,580, barely above its 2-month low of $26,300 set on Friday.
Bitcoin is still falling from its April 14 high of $31,019, its highest level since last June.
BTC has lost additional ground since May 5, when a transaction delay forced the price to fall on May 8.